Yo, back here with another video. This is episode 54 of the Trading 212 portfolio update. Hope you're doing well. This is the first video since we're in lockdown 2.0. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and hope you're trying to upskill as well while you have the opportunity to. Let's talk about the portfolio itself. And there has been some interesting things that have happened this week, especially with the US elections, with Biden and Trump. So let's get into the portfolio this week. My portfolio is now at £9,123.11. I've invested £9,573.69. Returns at the moment, I'm down £451.56. That's 4.71% in the red. So we have seen a huge improvement from that negative 8+% from last week. So it has been going in the right direction. I haven't really been adding to it, to be honest. It's just been kind of watching what the markets are doing. So today's been really interesting. I did hit a high of minus 3.39%, but towards the end of the market it is going down again, but what are you going to do? There are a few stocks that I want to talk about, and the first one being Uber. So where is Uber? So I've sold one stock of Uber today, and I've just reduced my position on this. I have sold it for £33.76. That was around $44.23, I think, around that. Their share price has actually increased quite a lot since they've won that legal battle with California. And I'm interested to know what you guys think about Uber, because I think I don't really know what to think about it, because they are obviously a taxi company, but they're also in the food delivery business. So as we're in lockdown, are we going to see an increase in food deliveries? I would think so as a yes, but at the same time, how much is that really worth? Is that something to drive the overall share price of Uber up significantly, or not so much? Or is the ride hailing business going to bring that down? So I'd be really interested to know what you guys think about this, because I'm undecided on how to approach this stock. Because I've been reducing my position down from 5 to 3, now to 2, and I'm not really sure what to do with the final 2 shares. Do I sell them, or do I just hold them and see where it goes? But I have sold one, and I'll tell you what I have purchased with that. Let's get into it right now. So with that $44, I did purchase half a share of Realty Income. I love Realty Income, to be honest, and I did see it as a good chance to average down slightly. So I am down. I've got 11.5 shares in Realty Income, which is just worth over £500. So that's £507.27. Returns at the moment, I'm down £24.49. That's 4.61% in the red. Not ideal. And my average price is at $59.66. So with Realty Income, I do love Realty Income, to be honest, and it's something that I'm going to be looking to increase my position further. But I do really like this, and I think they're paying me around $2 a month, and that is between this portfolio and the stake portfolio. If you haven't seen my latest video on stake, you can watch that up here, and the link is in the description if you want to sign up for that free share. Moving on to Main Street Capital is another one that I have added to today. So now I've got 16.5 shares. I did purchase that 0.5 today from the Uber funds, from that stock I sold off Uber, I guess. So again, I'm pretty happy with Main Street as well. However, I'm down 8.88%. That's £35.01. Current value for the 16.5 shares is around £360, which isn't too bad. £360.90, to be honest. My average price is at $31.49. So, I'm pretty happy with that. And again, it's a monthly dividend payer. So, happy days with that. And I do think in the long run, this is going to see a big improvement as, if the economies do recover from this pandemic. It doesn't look like it is going to do anytime soon. So potentially this could be a buying opportunity further down the road, but probably not right now. I'm only really looking to average down that cost. Interestingly, with Lyft, we haven't really seen that much of an increase. Actually, yeah, maybe we'll have about a $5. Similar thing with Uber. However, I don't think Lyft has a food delivery business, so they potentially could be suffering. And this is actually one that I do want to potentially close soon. So it is getting slowly to my $35 that I want. To be fair, if it gets to 33, I'll probably just close it, cut my losses, and see you later. But for now, I'm just going to hold on because I'm curious to see how it plays out as well. So like I said, I am slowly trying to reduce some of my positions and just focus on fewer stocks, but more of a quality type thing. And lastly, actually not even lastly, there's a few more stocks that I want to talk about, so hold on there. If you haven't signed up to Trading 212, link is in the description, and when you sign up you'll get a free share. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video. It really does help with this channel grow and get this video out to more people, and that YouTube algorithm stuff, yes, it really does help. So Telefonica is, I'm really undecided with Telefonica, to be honest, because it is at €2.80. I am down 36.79%. So the question is, do I still average down on this? Actually, I'm down 36.79%. So my question is, do I still average down on this? What do you guys think about it? I think in the long run, they should do pretty well. And this is the Spanish holding, not the German one. So again, I would be really keen to know what you guys think about this. I'm really undecided on this. Is it a good opportunity to average down? Because I think I would like to average down on this, but I'm still undecided. So if you do have this in your portfolio, leave a comment down below on what your game plan is. Moving on to, all right, so we've got this one here, energy transfer. Here we go. Energy transfer. So this hasn't gone too well for me, but again, like I said, I'm still bullish on this, and this is kind of a 3 to 6 year plan for me now, because the pandemic is a bit iffy, and I think it's going to take a lot longer to recover than we initially first hoped. So with this one, I've got 415 shares, so it is slowly growing. My returns at the moment is shocking. It is down £438.39. That's 21.29% in the red. Not ideal, I know, but there are a few reasons for this. They did slash their dividend, and they did literally just halve it. So it went from 30 cents per quarter to 15 cents. So initially, I'll be honest, I was expecting $120 in dividends this month. However, now I'm looking more towards 65, maybe $60 in dividends this month. So that has definitely hit the old dividend prediction that I was hoping for, but not too worried, because I do think that energy transfer is still a good stock. The fact that they did cut their distributions down by half doesn't really mean that their income has, or their cash flow has halved as well. So some people kind of think that, but really the company hasn't really changed. They've just taken a precaution to cut their dividends to make it more sustainable. So I'm happy with that. And even at this price, at the current price that I paid for it, I think it's around an 8 to 9% yield. So it's still a very high yield, and I'm still happy with it. It still does pay better than some other stocks. So with that being said, I still do think this is going to hit $10. Don't take my word on it. Just do your own research and make your own judgments. This is just for entertainment purposes, and this is just what I think. So I'm probably going to be wrong anyway. So let's just go with that. Cloudflare. Now this is a different story. So Cloudflare is actually killing it. And you know, when I opened the app this morning, well, this afternoon, to be honest, I saw it at $69. I can't really get to it right now, but anyway, so $69, really happy with that. And it did hit as high of $71. I was not expecting that. I don't really know where that came from, to be honest. So last time I checked, it was around 58, and all of a sudden it jumped to 71. And if you guys know why that happened, leave a comment down below, because I really want to know why this has jumped so much. So yeah, if you know why, leave a comment down below and smash that subscribe button as well, you know, and give a thumbs up to that YouTube algorithm. If we go into the actual holdings itself, I've got 15 shares. Yeah, I've got 15 shares. It's valued at £740.15 at the moment. I'm up £526.98. That's 247.33%. So gains and losses, I'm actually up 251%. And then FX impact is definitely taking around a 4 to 5% out of that return. Earlier in the day, I did have a look at this. I did take a screenshot of this, and I'll post a screenshot of what it was before so you can get an idea of what it was. But it is on the downward trend right now. So, you know, I think it was around 280% off the top of my head. I don't actually know. Screenshot is here if you want to see that. So, you know, I'm really happy with it. I do think, you know, it's only the tip of the iceberg, and I think this is going to be a great long-term stock. I would love to know what you guys think about this stock. Do you think in the long term it's going to be a really good one? I know it's definitely going to kill it during a pandemic. So yeah, leave a comment down below on what you think about this. Alibaba is another one that I want to talk about. So with Alibaba, obviously it's been in the news quite a lot. It's at $300 right now. I've got 1.7 shares. You know, I'm up £117. That's 43.31%. So with this one, my average price is at $203. That is it for this video. If you want to sign up to Trading 212, a link is in the description below, or head over to ink.yt/trading 212. Sign up, deposit £1 and get a free share up to £100. And if you haven't seen my latest stake video, which is up here, and it's basically the most traded stocks in September 2020 from UK users. Quite an insightful one and quite an interesting one to know what kind of stocks have been traded. I've got a new video coming out next week, which is an update on that video. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Stay safe, you know, upskill during lockdown and be productive. See you in the next one.